Okay, so good morning all. Today we start with the worksheet 5, question number 2 of exponents and powers. Now the question is, by what number should we multiply 2 raised to power minus 5 so that the product may be equal to 2 raised to power minus 1? Now see the one example for these questions. What the question is, what number should be multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 5? If I will ask you, what number I have to multiply by 5 so that I get the answer 15. So, how can we find this answer for this question? It can be written as, we want to find this sign of interrogation. So instead of this interrogation sign, we can write x, y, z, right? Because x, y, z, they are unknown to us. This is equal to 15. Now in this case, 5 is multiplying here. When it goes to the other side, 15 gets divided by 5 and we get the answer 3. Now check your answer. It means 3 is that number which when multiplied by 5 we get the answer 15. Now just to check, substitute the value x3 in place of this x. 5 multiplied by 3, it comes 15 and LHS becomes equals to RHS, right? It means our answer is correct. Now similarly this question comes for the power questions, for the exponents. It means what number should be multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 5 को हम किससे multiply करेंगे so that the product is equal to 2 raised to power minus 1. Exactly the same. Here I have taken only the natural numbers, the whole numbers, but here we have to take the number with the negative exponent. Right? Now, in order to make it positive, what we will do first, take the reciprocal of this and make the power positive. It becomes 1 upon 2 raised to power 5 multiply by x. This is equal to 1 by 2. Then solve this. 2 raised to power 5. It means how many times you are multiplying 2 by 5 times. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are, okay, I will write here. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. It means it becomes 1 by 32 multiply by x. This is equal to 1 by 2. वैल्यू किस चीज की निकालनी है? x की निकालनी है वैल्यू. तो जो बाकी की टर्म है वो कहाँ चली जाएगी? दूसरी तरफ चली जाएगी. और वो जाएगी कैसे? अब अगर वो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में है तो व्हेन इट shifts to the next side, it comes in the numerator. Okay, now 2 1s are 2, 16 2s are 32. So the answer becomes x is equal to 16. Okay. Okay, now the next question is, by what number should 24 raised to power minus 1 be divided so that quotient may be equal to 4 raised to power minus 1? The earlier question that we have done, in that question they have asked what number should be multiplied, right? इसमें क्या दे रखा है कि number should be, by what number should this be divided, कि हम इस नंबर को किस चीज से डिवाइड करेंगे so that quotient may be, and they have given us the quotient, right? So now the solution for this is, we can suppose, let, हम लोग ये suppose कर लेते हैं अपनी तरफ से. Let means we are assuming it at our own. 24 raised to power minus 1 be divided by x, कि x कोई ऐसा वेरिएबल है जो 24 की पावर माइनस 1 को क्या करता है? डिवाइड करता है. ठीक है. एंड दे हैव गिवन अस द क्वोशिएंट, इट इज 4 रेज्ड टू द पावर माइनस 1. इट कैन बी रिटन एज 24 रेज्ड टू पावर माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x. दिस इज इक्वल टू 4 रेज्ड टू द पावर माइनस 1. नाउ सी, 24 raised to the power minus 1, how can we make it positive? By writing it in the form of the reciprocal, that is 1 by 24. It is divided by x and this is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now see, this becomes x के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, we can write it as 1. Now in order this division of the fractional numbers, how we can do this? This remains as it is, change it, डिवीजन का साइन मल्टीप्लीकेशन में चेंज हो जाएगा और x by 1 को हम क्या कर देंगे, फ्लिप कर देंगे. इट मीन्स वी कैन राइट इट एज 1 upon x and this is equal to 1 by 4. Are you getting it what I have done? I am repeating it again. See, we have to divide. कोई एक ऐसा नंबर है जो इसको डिवाइड करता है कि हमारे पास क्वोशिएंट क्या आ जाता है, 4 आ जाता है. Now see one example for this. 16 को कौन सा नंबर डिवाइड करेगा so that we get the quotient 8. Are you getting my example? 16 को कौन सा नंबर डिवाइड करेगा कि हमारे पास क्वोशिएंट क्या आ जाए, 8 आ जाए. तो what it means, क्या हमें निकालना है, हमें निकालना है कि what should be the divisor. डिवाइजर क्या होगा, ठीक है. तो आप लोग कैसे निकालोगे, ये तो आपको चलो पता है कि 8 2s are 16 होते हैं, तो वी कैन से द आंसर इज 2 फॉर दिस. Similarly, we are writing for the same question this divided by this so that we get the quotient 4 raised to power minus 1. राइट, अब इसको कैसे निकालोगे आप, -1 पावर है, इसको पॉजिटिव बनाओगे. अगेन रिपीटिंग, इट बिकम्स 1 by 24 डिवाइडेड बाय x by 1 because nothing is there in the denominator. 4 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4. अब keep, change, flip. This is the formula for the division of the fractional number. Now it comes 1 upon 24x is equal to 1 by 4. x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. It remains to this side, 24 चला जाएगा उस तरफ. It becomes 1 by 4 multiply by 24. Right? 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. It becomes 1 by x is equal to 6. अब हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है x की. यहाँ पे क्या आया, 1 by x. तो what we have to do, just take the reciprocal of 6. It becomes x is equal to 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay.